you videotaping?
No. Well, in a minute, you're probably going to get a tree going through the front windshield. I'm going to slow you roll a little bit. Oh my God, there's more limbs falling.
Oh my God, that scared me. I thought you saw a tornado or something. It's like really neat.
Well, get it, Caitlin!
Mama, you need to hurry up and get home. I am. But something ain't right over here. No, it's not, baby.
Everything's falling. Once at the house, y'all. Oh, crap. Hold on a minute. I don't know if it's... Where's everybody at? How come we don't know one's here? Alright. Apparently, y'all need to get all these trees. I'm freaking out, baby. Come on.
This is bad. There's tornadoes or something?
This just came down, Amanda. What's going on?
There's tornadoes over here?
I don't know, honey.
You still videotaping it?
I'm afraid like something's gonna happen. We're gonna have our cameras out. There you go.
We'll be the idiots that make natural
Yeah. They want you to send it to the Weather Channel Live 5. It's got the thing, Caitlin, where you can go in there and you put your name on it and say, this is from Caitlin so-and-so. She was in the storm today. Coming home
in the middle of a tornado. Coming home from freaking the boondocks.
God, baby.
This is like freaky.
And I cleaned that pipe out yesterday, too, baby.
Can I start recording now?
Is our voice on it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I got that there. I didn't know my voice was on it. You had to delete that. Let me see, baby. Oh, you sure that was kissy? Okay, I'll look at it later.